Hello kids, today we will learn about alphabets from A to Z, from A to Z. Okay, let's start. A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for coat, C for coat. D for dog, D for dog. E for egg, E for egg. F for fan, F for fan. Z for gun, G for gun. H for home, H for home. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Z for jug, J for jug. K for king, K for king. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nose, N for nose. O for orange, O for orange. P for penguin, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sheep, S for sheep. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X for Xmas, X for Xmas. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zoo, Z for zoo. A B C D E F Z H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.